software is virtually Aladdin's lamp in the hands of legal professionals. We have been facing a great difficulty while drafting because nowadays it is very difficult to get a very good stenographer who can take the dictation of the long drafting with the complicated words and the paras and everything. But since I have got this Dragon legal software, it has become so fast and so handy and so comfortable for me to draft all the documents which I could have been drafting in 2 days or 3 days. Now I am doing in 1 or 2 hours. This is the beauty of this legal software. This software, there is some command in which we have faced some initial problems. Even now there come some problems, and for this I get a very active and responsive support from Mr. Al-Sawah Khan, RSM of this company. Whenever I call him, he responds me, even during holidays. It is really a very handy and supportive, responsive software. One thing which I face is, whenever my computer goes for formatting, I have again request through email that reload the Dragon software. If there comes any solution for this, this will be very helpful for me. Thank you.